Hi guys, today we want to talk to Harsh about his story. So Harsh, पहली बात तो इट्स अनबिलीवेबल कि 3 weeks में कोई CMAT में 90 परसेंटाइल मार्क्स ला सकता है. And so we want to talk about your journey in this phase. So let's start with the first part. How you prepare for the CMAT exam?
So I was confident with other subjects than quant. Like I was not that well with quant. So what did I do? I made sure that my other subjects are strong. For example, logic was good, general knowledge, language and innovation.
So but have you given other exams पहले?
No, I have only applied
GK
for.
कैसे improve हो गया यार? आम आदमी GK का करता ही नहीं है. So how you?
YouTube video देख लिए like
After planning to give CMAT.
हाँ, जैसे ही हुआ प्लान की CMAT दे रहे हैं तो उसके बाद से YouTube वीडियो देखना
Then you
चालू
start
कर
watching
दिया. उसके पहले तो कुछ था नहीं कि कहाँ से पढ़ना है.
So it can be done. 90%
हाँ,
is possible.
it's possible. It's possible.
So, and we don't mean to say कि तुम भी लास्ट में आके
हाँ,
prepare
लास्ट
करो.
में नहीं करो.
So we try to get
It
more
is
marks.
possible to do before. It is like वो risky game हो जाता है कि लास्ट में then you have to spend a lot of more hours in it.
Correct. And you have not given any other exam.
No, make sure you have to sit 8 hours a day. Make sure you do the logic completely right. Make sure you watch a lot of videos. So it is a little risky. It is preferred that you start a little early.
ASAP, but if you have the last mode.
Yeah, so math was a little weak for me, so I tried working on math. And during exam, math solve किया लेकिन
कम किया.
कम
कितना किया होगा? 2, 3, 5.
5 questions ज़्यादा तो बिल्कुल नहीं किए.
Almost 5 questions. Almost 5. हाँ, there are always few questions which are very easy. If you know the basic stuff, you can
of math, yeah, so it was easy. उसके अलावा तो बाकी चारों उसमें अच्छे से किया. I made sure कि GK और इनोवेशन में फुल स्कोर करे. लैंग्वेज में भी सेम था और लॉजिक में भी यही लॉजिक में गैप रखा था कि इसमें 3 क्वेश्चन है कि मेरे को आएंगे ही नहीं. अगर 20 क्वेश्चन है तो मैं 3 पकड़ के चला कि ये मेरे से होने नहीं वाले क्योंकि दिस इज गोइंग टू बी टफ फॉर मी एज वेल.
करेक्ट.
तो टर्न आउट वो 3 भी इतना टफ नहीं थे लेकिन वो रॉन्ग ही आए.
करेक्ट.
बट इट वाज बट इट वाज इजी. जर्नी वाज गुड.
Correct. So there's an agenda why I talk to students like you who have studied less, so that people who are not getting good marks, this and that, तो उनको एक motivation मिलेगा कि यार
हो सकता है,
ये कर
possible
सकता
है.
तो it's like the
Definitely,
feeling
sir.
we want from you is not like ये scholar है भाई बहुत बड़ा आदमी है ऐसा नहीं. इसने भी हार्ड वर्क किया है तो if you work hard even for 3
It is not
weeks,
about being a scholar, it is about working hard, that's all.
Correct,
If you
correct,
start
correct.
like even when I study for 3 weeks but 8 hours completely in it,
8 hours.
that's the only reason. अगर 6 घंटा पढ़े तो नहीं 90% तो आता ही नहीं.
Correct. And if I can give a mocks, alternate week mock.
Oh yeah, mock exam also I gave. Yeah. So I gave CMAT mock exams.
Correct.
1 week you study after the like how did I divide? 5 subjects, 5 days, 1 subject each. Weekend पे you give a mock exam.
Okay.
Sunday you get the score out. After Sunday you get the score out. You have the next week to prepare again.
Correct.
So that's why mock exam also help. Yeah.
Superb. So that's a good idea, good strategy. There are 5 sections, so if you can do one section every day.
Every day.
And then you can easily survive. अब पढ़ना पड़ेगा, GK भी करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा बहुत तो you have to study for that. So YouTube videos, you think GK is more than sufficient to crack?
So YouTube videos, so I learned a lot through YouTube videos, but for GK it was through newspapers articles because जब मेरा भी CMAT मैंने दिया था, they had questions like what was the brand title, brand name and brand title. So that is a basic knowledge that everyone has. Then they had who is the CEO of which brand. So I don't think that you can get through YouTube. That you have to know through the surroundings or environment or newspaper.
Correct.
So वैसा था वो.
So what we have done, I every year make Bible, GK Bible and innovation.
No, that would have helped me
so
also.
So that 20 pages more than there's a 20-page booklet, more than sufficient to crack. At least उतना तो करके जाया.
हाँ, वो तो हो जाता, तो easy हो जाता.
Right. So my next point is, so yeah, this is the main advantage that even if you have scored less 90 percentile, but if your profile is strong, you can end up in a good college. So right now we are in this college. So average package is around 10.7 lakh. So don't get disheartened कि score कम आ रहा है ज़्यादा आ रहा है. So you can cover the gap. So the moment you say profile, your college is very much focused on profile, and I can see that every student is smart, not in terms of the look wise, but in terms of their. So what is your profile?
My current studying profile is communications. I am doing MBA in communications. I have been learning subjects like advertising, branding, digital marketing. So basically marketing but in a very niche manner. जो basic marketing है 4 rupees नहीं लेकिन उसका भी niche हम सीखते हैं.
Correct.
So that helped and getting a package for 10.7 like average top 10
is not bad.
in an agency is very good right now.
Correct.
So that was the whole profiling after behind.
Media में वैसे भी starting
Media में
package.
starting package is very less comparatively and to get a good 10 package for media is very nice.
Correct. And this is the advantage of MBA. You can choose your own destination.
Yeah.
You want to go for communication, media, finance, किसी
So
को
that's
bank
what it
जाना है.
helps कि communication is very helping.
Correct. That you can choose that. So profile, I mean, before you join the college, So what was your USP kind of thing? So your academic record was good, or your work ex was good?
My work ex was good, so I was a student from college in Mithaibai, Bombay only. So I come from that college. Uske baad I had a work ex in the field of communications only from Jio.
Okay.
So that helped. CADS helped. So that's how I made sure that communication is my role. I can do well in communication, so that's how.
Superb. So that helped you crack the
Yeah.
interview easily. So there are two kind of students. One, either your work ex is related,
Or you have to
Suppose-
be very smart.
Yeah, or you have to be very smart.
Or you
One of them
have-
have to be there. So for example, I'm from IT background. If I say IT, I can crack any interview. मेरे को IT में ही करना है MBA. So otherwise, you have to be very smart. You have to show come across कि तुम्हारे you are eager to learn this and that.
Yeah, that
So-
spirit should be there.
Correct. And your interviews are online. Right.
हमारा ऑनलाइन हुए थे because definitely I was one of the
So
COVID batch.
COVID batch, right? Correct.
So COVID खत्म हुआ फिर हुआ. But I
Right.
think offline भी होंगे लोग के interview.
So any tips you like to give for the interview phase for the students कि यार तुम ये करके जाओ. The way you have 3 weeks plan for.
Yeah, so for interviews it was the same. I think for interview you should be well aware about GK as well. Not exactly GK, but everything that is happening in the business, in industries that you are interested in. If you are interested in the finance industry,
Correct. Awareness about that industry,
awareness
not
is
about
very
general
important.
knowledge.
Yeah, awareness is important in the niche as well.
कि चाइना का PM कौन है, CM कौन है, वो नहीं जानना. But in terms of your knowledge, wherever you
नॉलेज तो
want.
चाहिए ना कि अगर आप इंडिया से MBA करें तो आपको प्लेसमेंट भी यहाँ पे ही मिलने वाले हैं. आप वही इंडस्ट्री में जाना चाहते
Correct, correct.
अवेयरनेस होना चाहिए इंडस्ट्री कितना बड़ा है.
Correct.
बी कॉन्फिडेंट, डोंट ट्राई टू शो ऑफ, इट डजंट हेल्प.
They'll find out. उनका रोज का काम है. उनका रोज का काम है. देख.
If you try to be like, oh, I know this, I know that, they know that.
Correct.
So be true. It is okay if you don't know a lot of things. Like I am from communication, I can be upfront that I don't know a lot about finance.
correct.
I won't go anywhere and speak out on finance. It won't help.
Correct. And it's good to say also in the interview कि भाई मेरे को finance के बारे में
नहीं
नहीं
पता,
पता. I'm a
आप
communication student, तो मुझे इसके बारे में
पूछ लो. Yeah.
And I've seen people who have passed the interview, they said that in
हाँ.
the interview. And
Fair
it's not
point.
negative. वो
It is not, वो भी अवेयर होता है कि इफ यू आर नॉट टेकिंग हिम इट इज ऑन द रीजन कि हम नहीं ले रहे क्योंकि
correct.
नहीं डोमेन ही नहीं वो
Domain
चीज
ही
का.
नहीं है, right.
तो दे वोंट बी कि
Correct.
एंड इफ आई लाइक कि ओ आई नो एंड
हाँ,
देन
then
वी
you're
टेक
gone.
हाँ देन
Correct. Great, yeah, great. So thank you
Thank
and all
you.
the best.
Thank you.
So guys, you can still do it. We have 3 weeks remaining for the CMAT exam. तो अच्छे से क्रैक करो so that you can also end up in a good college with a good placement. Thank you.
थैंक यू.